Thank you, 11, thank you. 134, Radio Charlie, 213, going.
34 Radio Charlie, this is 161 Bravo Delta 876.
161 Bravo Delta X-ray, 161 Bravo Delta X-ray, eh?
Good afternoon, this is 161 Bravo Delta 876. My name is Marek, radio station base. I spell Mike Alpha Romeo Echo Kilo. Marek. My QTH is Gawrony, Central Poland. Report for you 5/9. Mike, back to you.
Okay, 100%, dear Marek. 161 Bravo Delta, number 8, number 7, number 6, 134 Radio Charlie 213, my personal Paco, Papa, Alpha, Charlie, Oscar. From Fuerteventura Island, in the West Africa, 95 kilometers, okay? I am on 5/3, but copy, very well, okay, no problem, Marek. I wish the best for your family. For my side, 27 degrees, very good day. Still the summer over Canary Island. Back to you, Marek.
Okay, my working condition, transceiver CRE 8900, antenna stereo, 3 element Yagi, microphone astatic. The weather is in Poland very, very nice, 29 degrees. Mike, back to you.
Okay, fantastic, 29 degrees, and your working condition. Upon my side is Radio Kango Tango Sugar 850, 150, 150 whiskey. Okay, my antenna is vertical, it's on a common from 99 over 80 meters the roof, about 30, 30 meters over the Atlantic Ocean level, and a microphone, professional studio, Lima, Echo Mike. Okay, it's very strange and very mad DRGB. For the moment, South America few station and a few stations from Europe.
Thank you for information about your working condition. Thank you for QSO 73. Have a nice day. Mike, back to you.
Okay, 73 Marek. Best wishes. See you later, my friend. Many thanks for the contact.
Thank you. Bye-bye.